Hello darlings, welcome to my beauty and happy Valentine's Day. And I couldn't figure out what to do for Valentine's Day, but I did figure out what to do. So we're gonna do 3 ways to use your leftover roses so they don't just die and be worthless. Okay? Alright, here we go.
Okay guys, first we're starting off with a rose Scissor. So you're going to start off with a half a cup of aloe gel and a teaspoon of witch hazel. And next you're going to add in about a half a cup of rose petals. If you don't have this little blender thing, you can use like a food processor or something. And just blend that all up. Next, you're just gonna strain it into a container. This was definitely too big, so I just put it in this little ramekin. And that's about it. Next, we're gonna make some rose lotion bars. We're gonna start off with a half a cup of mango butter. And then next, we're gonna use a half a cup of rose infused oil that's been sitting for about a week. And then we're going to do a half a cup of beeswax and just set that in like a double boiler and just melt it all down and add some rose essential oil. These are actually heart shaped cookie cutters because I didn't have no heart shape like molds, so I'm being ghetto with it. But anyway, and there you have it. And next we're going to do a rose tea latte. We're just going to heat up some milk and froth it up if you have like a latte frother thingy. And we're going to make our tea mixture, which are some rose petals, some hibiscus petals, and a little bit of lemon rind. Don't use a whole lot like I did or it's going to come out bitter. And then you're going to steep that in your teacup for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to add some honey for some sweetness if you choose to or not. And then we're just going to add that milk. Stir that up and add the froth on top. And then we're going to add an optional garnish of some crushed up rose petals. And there you have it.
Okay guys, that's 3 ways you can use your leftover roses for or after Valentine's Day, or if you get them before. It don't matter. Anyway, you can do what I did or you don't have to. It's whatever. But hope you love this video and I will see you guys later. Have a good day.